Street with Persephone. We were doing something down here. And they had a crossing guard there for something, and she snapped at me, and I did not like it.
What? You didn't like somebody?
I informed her as politely as I could that I wasn't a fucking child. Don't fucking tell me what to do. Persephone's like, calm down, just relax. And I'm like, no. She's like, just a lollipop lady. It's just whatever. Like, well, lollipop lady can, not freaking tell me what to do because I'm not a child. And I don't, not obligated to listen to her, frankly.
And you know what? She's not obligated to listen to you.
Nope. But
she may not want to get yelled at.
the lollipop lady?
Yeah.
No. Just no. She was yelling at me.
Well, I know. So
she obviously had no problem with being yelled at because you can't just yell at someone and not expect to be engaged in an argument.
Sure. Very cute tiny house. Awesome. Smoking with a face mask.
Well, that way you get more out of it. You get to smoke the same smoke several times in a row. Over and over. Just traps it right in there. Yar, 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 yar. That is one thing that I just do not understand.
What?
Any kid that would start smoking in this day and age. Like, everything we know about it. How is it not uncool?
I agree. How's it not uncool? And then you see other people doing it. And there's this stupid, probably close to anti-vaxxer, crunchy crystal people smoking American spirits because it's not as bad for you. Because they and their fake science.
But it is.
I get it. Everything about them as people is
abhorrent.
Right, an amalgamation of lies. Oh, I forgot the baby. Oh no, fuck.
Yeah, why did that get taken out of the car?
Because I was gonna use it to take it on a walk.
Oh, I see.
A monster baby here.
No.
Yes, it is.
What is a monster doing in here?
A monster baby.
A monster baby?
Yes, a monster baby. Here, a monster baby.
Oh.
In a red.
In a red seat?
Huh?
A monster baby butt?
Yucky. Yucky baby monster.
She just kills me with her tough guy voices.
Ah.
There you go. How about that boat, Chris?
That's the one. That's the one.
Still want that blue
Ooh,
boat.
that water looks clear.
And so that's another thing, right? Like trade-offs and trade-offs, right? I could do without a yard if we had a boat.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, where's the closest marina? Redondo? Or Marina?
Probably Redondo. Yeah, if we could get out on a boat, like on the weekends, instead of playing in the yard, I'd be fine with it. And if we're this close to the water too, frankly, like, I would probably get a kayak and use that for my exercise. Which I'm thinking about doing right now anyway, a lot, right? Like, we're just discussed getting a kayak.
Mhm.
It's not.
But we need to get a 2-seater so that we can bring the kids.
That's the thing.
Ooh, how about that house? The whole top is open living.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
Yeah,
whole
now
top
again, the
floor
problem with
just
this area
non-doors.
is parking is atrocious. Just freaking atrocious.
Yeah, parking is atrocious. I personally, even if we have a boat, I still want some type of yard to let the kids go get their wiggles out. And the dogs.
Yeah, but again, like
And
if
just
we're close to the beach, the
space.
kids can get their wiggles out. We can walk down the beach every day and play.
Space for my neighbors.
Yeah,
I don't like the idea that I don't like the
being on top of
crunchies.
each other.
Yeah, where like their neighbors can see and everything, and they can see into their neighbor's bathroom. It's weird.
Yeah, I get it, but that's the trade-off of being that close to the
Totally,
water.
absolutely. Unless we get one of those houses right on Santa Monica Beach.
Well, you can still right up against your neighbor.
Just your house is huge. It's 5,000 square feet, so
Right,
you can put your bathroom on the other side.
right in the middle.
You're still hungry?
Well, take a break, and that's not how we talk about things like that. You would like a sandwich? All right, you're gonna have to.
Okay, how about in 5 minutes?
Why 5 minutes?
Just give him his belly time to.
No, this is lunch time still.
Okay. All right, ready, buddy? I missed. Or did I? Beach pizza. That sounds yummy.
I didn't miss. I hit you right in the chest. Exactly where I wanted to go. I threw it right into your hands, pretty much. I did too. Don't lie. We don't do lies. Why is this guy shooting people with his finger? Who knows, folks?
Yes.
And he shoots them instead of giving them a wave. Oh, no, not a face covering in sight. Good to go. And everyone's not even 6 feet away. So, wonder if the laws are going to change when COVID goes back as far as like being able to drink on the street again. Are they going to to-go cocktails?
Oh.
Because people can't sit in and drink. So now you can just walk and turn the whole city into a bar basically and go bar hopping that way. I think it's great. I think it's stupid to have restrictive liquor laws like that. It's not stopping people from drinking and driving.
No. Why would they do it?
Huh?
Is that what the reason why?
Yeah, public drunkenness, drinking and driving, just vestiges of, Puritanism.
It's a lot of bucks.
Feel bad for the short girl. My friends. Oh, I wish I had legs. It's like the short dude in every group of dudes. Like, oh. Just be tall. Just be tall.
Okay. You know what? Fine. I'll take one of those houses. One of those. Look at that water. It's blue. Remember a month ago when it was red?
Yeah. During the red tide.
We didn't even see the algae bloom. I feel
Because you're
bad.
on the boat.